Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this drawer. Okay, simple. Just right click or in wardrobe, right click, add function part. So we just add a drawer first, or add the drawer first. Stack drawer. Then cut out a drawer. Put here. Change the weight. So my drawer should be 600. Okay. Then delete. Okay, Control V, Control V. Okay, this one minus 36. Okay, minus 36. Okay. Then drag another one also. Right click. Add function part. Oh, they got two ma. So I drag another one. Okay, same height lah. Hope they can be same height. If cannot adjust, then never mind. I'll change it. 600. This one make it 600. Okay, so Control V, Control V, then Control V again, and this one same thing, minus 36. Okay, so I double click another one, right click, Control V, add function part. Drag another drawer also. Okay, change it to 600. Okay, Control V, Control V. Okay, this one minus 36. Okay, if you want to put banner, you can put banner lah, but I don't want to put lah. Eventually can see also. Okay, so after that, simple, or you put glasses or like the picture here got glasses on top. Okay, we got glasses, so we put glasses first. Just right click, Control V also. Where's the button? Add function part. Okay, drag banner glass, banner glass. This one laminate. Drag it. Okay, drag it. So here make it 0, or your automatic adjustment. So here make it 0. So stick to here, glasses. Okay. Now this one is a glasses, and this one we're gonna change it, okay. First we change the bottom one. The bottom is this one, like no handle one. So we just click on it. Right click. No. First we just right click here. All door banner drawer style. This one all are drawer. So we change the drawer style. So the first drawer we find on here. Where is that? L-shape drawer. So let me see where is the L-shape drawer. Okay, hide this one, no handle. L-shape drawer. L-shape drawer. Then page 3. Oh, this one I did homework file already. Okay. So is this one? Should be. Okay. So just choose. Okay. So the one handle, right click. Remove all the handle, delete all. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, oh got 4. Never mind lah, that one you put yourself. Okay, so this one on the top here, we change also the banner. This one, select. Okay, right click, Control select. Okay, right click, door banner, drawer style. Also this one will be a different style. So let's say this one should be here. This one many plastic door. This one. Okay. So we choose this one. Choose first. Control Z. Right click. Door banner drawer style. Choose the wrong one. Sorry. Come down here. Many plastic. So this one. Okay, choose yes. Okay, so now this one all are same, just color different, so I change the white color first. Right click. Okay, material. Okay, just copy the material. Okay, this one should be B board selection first. Click on board selection. Okay, right click, So you can select the panel door lah. Material white color, correct? So just paste it, paste it. So you need to go in front a bit. Okay, never mind. Sometimes they detect with here, then I detect again. Right click, material property, paste. Okay, cannot change, so never mind. Also, I right click, all material, door material. I choose white, then it all shall be white color. So let's say I choose this one. All white. Okay, so this one I will change individual lah. This one I need to change individual, so I right click for selection also. Door material, door core. This one inside is door core. So for door core we change it to glass lah. Glass, clear glass. Okay, this one also you can just right click, material painter, paint. Okay, if you paint they not listen, never mind, you right click, material, door core material, choose it. Okay, if still cannot, never mind also. Okay, this one you can delete. I inside got 2 doors. Okay, now I just realize, never mind, this glass delete first. Okay, panel delete. If not later you cannot see transparent. Okay, delete also. Okay, this one the whole one I delete also because cannot use anymore. So this one, click on it, Ctrl V, minus 36. Okay, simple as that. So now I'll just delete this one also. Forget, got banner inside. Never mind. Okay, so just drag panel, right click, add function part, glasses, panel glass, glasses. Drag this one, okay, a bit, so move down. Complete. Okay, so it look like this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.